Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdobying Jompi.
Ka Sorkar jelah singi palai ka khat atri ujembang arjarar puar kalabu Ahmad ika Thong kumnu bantawi kilat kilinti ban Pynkhuid biang ya kawa Umshing-Umsohlang ka badan hakasnong kenton masar hadian boleh jurep hidala dia hakasingi sajan ka nyotri ujembang arjarar puar ha ka jinga kran mikila bathai kubor konat sang mau laong baka project ban Pynkhuid biang ya kawa Umshing-Umsohlang kan long kum ka jing sedang ban pentri ya ka project kum kanuksa ban sa penbuat ya kiwei pat kiwa kibadan ha kiwei pat kishnong jong ka jila Meghalaya.
River Rejuvenation Project mission is basically coming out from my last visit to Maulai Kenton Masar area where the Umshing and the Umsohlang stream I had announced that I'm going to take it up as a mission mode program, and the idea is that we will start with these streams, but we want to make this into an example and a model for other streams and other localities and communities to follow. So we are hopeful that this will come out, and we have asked the departments now to come out with a comprehensive plan so that then we can move into action mode. So by 31st of May, we expect the comprehensive plan to be put in. But after this initiation was done, yesterday or day before yesterday, the departments had made a visit to the site and they've met the concerned people, and they've done a preliminary study, and that was discussed today, and I've given a green signal to them to go ahead to make a comprehensive plan.